This is the first of a series of videos covering our road trip through Italy with our friends. In the first 2 days, we head north towards Bolzano in the Dolomite Mountains of northern Italy.
You like my bright green folder so I won't forget anything?
It's two stories.
So big. Hello. This is a cool plane. Emirates is so cool. You get to see the plane. So, what did we just get?
We got a little goodie bag. Socks, face mask, toothbrush, and earplugs.
I'm about to have my dinner at midnight.
In March of 2022, we boarded our Emirates flight to Milan. It was the best flight we have ever been on. 8 hours later, we landed, picked up our rental car, and we were off, heading to explore the mountains in northern Italy.
So we stopped right in this little town to pick up groceries.
It's a little grocery store. It's very small.
Look at these little bottles.
Our first destination was this town inside of a castle. It was really cool because we thought we were just going to look at castle ruins, but as we walked around, it opened up into this beautiful, picture-perfect Italian town.
Tell me about this little town.
It's a town inside of a castle. It's so pretty. Oh, look, and it goes out onto the lake. Okay,
See you guys in the morning. Great traveling with you.
This is the view out of our room. There's the mountains.
Good morning, Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good. We're gonna go and get breakfast and then go ride a gondola to the top of one of the Dolomite mountains and go on a hike. So it's gonna be good.
Continue for 800 meters.
Oh boy.
Look how pretty.
So we just arrived at Bolzano. We parked in a little parking lot and now we walked out into this lovely square with our friends. Hello, friends. We're gonna go take a gondola ride to the top of the mountain, go hiking. It's gonna be great.
Is that way the train?
Everybody knows where they're going, as you can see. So, we are gonna take this thing up over there.
Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all the vineyards. Just down the side of the mountain.
So cool. There's us.
I feel like we're just on a clothesline.
Pretty much.
And the guy at the hotel just gave us a little hill. Yeah, the
A little hill?
It's just a hill. It's not really a mountain.
Wow. Oh, we could take this train, right? So cool.
Where do we go? Over Bolzano? Does that mean over the town of...
Yeah. So we took the gondola from there up this little green thing to Oberbozen, and now we could take a railway from here to Klobenstein. It should be pretty. There's a lot of mountains. You see kind of a little bit of them over there. I love the little houses and the balconies. They're so cool. So we're at the train station, and as I said before, we're at Oberbosen, and we could stop at Linsbach, Reiner, Wolfsgruben, Castello something, Liechtenstein, Rappersburg, Eberhof, that's where Hitler's Dasha was, Weidischer, and Kloberstein. That's a big mountain.
That is
amazing. We found a Mr. Bean car. It's so small. Look, it's the size of my hand. Oh.
As we were enjoying walking through these little mountain towns, we saw signs to view these naturally occurring pyramid-like formations. As we made our way there, we enjoyed lots of scenic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys.
It's all so grand.
And we can continue down that path.
Let's go.
It's really cool to look through the binoculars.
You see the stones, guys? Oh, that's cool. Cool, right?
So pretty.
There it is.
That's so cool.
Isn't that a cool shot?
We made our way back the way we came, by train and then by gondola. Next on our list was to drive up further into the Dolomite Mountains.
We're going back
To the gondola.
to the gondola.
I'll follow you. Feels like you're falling.
Onwards to our next location. Oh, Sarah, look at this. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. Wow.
Oh, we're getting close to the Dolomites.
Wow. I don't think it's one way. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. You got space. You got so much space. Whoa. 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 Wow, look at that valley.
I'm looking.
Valley so low.
We just finished eating in our car with this view. That's pretty epic. Parked our car and we're going to see that. Do you see it? Look how pretty.
So we're in Bolzano, and we're in this charming little street that reminds me of Las Vegas, but it's real.
Look up.
It's crazy. It's like,
all different
they're all,
colors.
yeah, I was gonna say, they're all different colors.
So it's 7 o'clock, they close all the stores and then everyone goes to the restaurants.
Yeah?
After wandering around the streets for a little bit, we found a restaurant to get some dinner. Naturally, the entire menu was in Italian, so we used our Google Translate apps and thankfully had a patient waiter.
This is where we ate! What are you doing?
So we turned down this alleyway. And it's taking us to another alleyway. Oh.
Okay, we made it through all the mazes and we found it!
It's some sort of piazza in Bolzano.
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 We walked, we saw,
We ate.
We conquered.
Now we're going back.
There's Gastachov written on that building. That's a truck. Sounds like a motorcycle. So okay, so we're in where are we?
Always.
Smells like cows. Right here.
Das ist a little German village. Look at this door.
Look at the door.
We are in Himmelfahrt. Himmelfahrt. We've been driving and we've noticed that there's a lot of French cars in Italy apparently. This one is a Citroën Jumpy. I think in French it sounds like Jumpy. Citroën Jumpy. What's this one? Conchota. That's not French.
Okay, and now what? Request receipt? Okay, request receipt, Jonathan. That's fine. Just go.
It's a goodbye.
The gate's up, we're going.